education. Far from addressing the learning crisis and the decreasing digital divide, the BICAM cut 11 billion from the budget of DepEd, including 10 billion from the proposed computerization program. Sinabi ng Pangulo nung Lunes sa isang interview na ibabalik niya ang budget para sa computerization. Pero base sa BICAM report, ang suma total para sa edukasyon ay 925 billion lamang. At ito na ang kinukumpunin ng DepEd, ng SUKS, ng CHED at ng TESDA, 12 billion pa sa iba't ibang mga educational institutions. In contrast to that budget of 925, DPWH has a budget of 1.113 trillion. Which is 188 billion more than the entire budget allocation for education. I need not explain further what a